And pack training. Save me from you, tough guy.
Kid, all your pack training did was get us both caught. I was just trying to get out of it.
Grandma Abigail? Grandma Abigail, I knew the pack could handle a few monsters.
If that's you, Grandma, we're too late.
What? Oh, no. Grandma Abigail's always like that. She's just old. Grandma Abigail!
Gracie, get away from her!
Grandma!
Ooh, tag! I wanna play! Maybe later.
No teeth. Lucky break.
Did you just punch my grandma in the face?
Sorry, kid, but your grandma's a monster.
You're the monster!
I thought I was the bodyguard.
Ugh.
We gotta go, kid.
No. Go without me. I belong with them.
Oh, that won't help anyone.
Hi, I'm Blue!
No, don't let go of me. There must be a way out of here.
There is!
Never mind. There isn't.
Safest thing to do is to stay put until sunrise and the humans return.
Javier, what happens next in the late-night movies?
A good question, Frida. Often, at this point, the heroes are starving and resort to eating each other. Or we can eat popcorn!
Is that food?
It is a critical element of the cinema that Xavier has always wanted to try.
Chicos, me first.
Have low blood sugar.
Don't be ridiculous. We go from the top of the food chain down to the one with the tiniest brain.
That does it!
We should not fight during the Animalpocalypse.
Don't be!
Oh, no! So, you wanna fight?
This is gonna be fun.